Hello everybody, David Lewis here. And last week we surveyed 100 service managers and we asked them, what area could reshape the future of your service department? And I'm going to give you those results and I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. So 8% of them stated that they wanted a facility or equipment upgrades. They wanted either a larger facility, they wanted their facility to be remodeled or reshaped. Another 8% said they wanted better technology and software tools so that their advisors could either work efficiently or smoother, or their communications with technicians could be improved. Now it jumped to 27% said they wanted better customer communications. You know, before, during, and after the sale, they wanted those communications between the advisors and the customers to be improved. But the biggest number was 57%. 57% of the service managers stated they wanted staff training and development. So if you're in that category, well, we can help you. We've got a fantastic 2-day in-dealership service advisor training program available. We are running a promotion on it right now. During this promotion, we'll spend 2 days in the store. We'll do a little bit of classroom. We'll do a lot of in-the-lane training. We'll work with them on their customer pay presentations, on their meet and greets, on their walkarounds, and on their communication skill set, and even add a component for an active delivery. So if you're in that category and you need some training, well, we'd love to partner with you and help. So please reach out and let us know, and we can provide you with some more details.